Hello, dear friends. I am Dr. Arshnur, a parent awakening coach who is committed to rescue youngsters from drug addiction, juvenile delinquency, and suicidal thoughts. I'm an author of book 5 Steps to Win the Battle of Drug Addiction and Juvenile Delinquency. In this series, I have started a playlist of episodes on the name of Silver Lining, under which I am narrating the stories, which are true stories of the warriors and the strugglers of drug addiction and suicidal attempts. So, here is a story for today. This is a story of a brave mother who brought her child back to life from the jaws of monster of drugs. Ronit was a son of a wealthy family. He was studying in a prestigious boarding school. He fell in love with a girl and the girl deceived him. After his breakup, Ronit became unconsolable. He went into deep despair. Now, his so called friend came to help him and advised him to take beer. The heartbroken boy got a bit relief by beer for few days. Then he went on alcohol. Once he started taking intoxicants, he went deeper into these. From beer to alcohol, from alcohol to opium, then smack, heroin, and there was no end afterwards. He did not hesitate to steal and rob to quench his urge of drugs. He became a habitual drug addict afterwards. An innocent boy who just required consolation and counseling went into mire of drug addiction because he did not get any well-wisher's hand to hold him. Fortunately, he had summer holidays and went to his home to spend days with his family. His mother smelled something fishy and kept a strict observation on him. She understood the whole story within few days. The wise mother took him to a psychiatrist who clearly revealed his terrible condition. Ronit's mother did not lose hope and asked a doctor to provide all possible treatments to him to save her only child. Ronit was a weak, will-powered boy, but his mother was determined and dedicated lady. She accompanied him to rehab center even, where he stayed for few days. After he returned back, his mother became his shadow because she knew her fight was very vast. She followed him everywhere. She did not leave him alone for a single minute. She found withdrawal symptoms to be very tough, difficult to overcome because Ronit himself did not want to live. So, this was the weakest part of this story. Then his mother, took him to a disabled center where people with different deformities, disabilities were struggling to live. Ronit saw bedridden, mentally retarded, lame, crippled, and people with other deficiencies. But he saw that everyone had the zeal to live. So this was quite strange, and this brought a turning point in Ronit's life. Ronit not only learned an important lesson of life, but also became a warrior. After that, he started struggling with his own life. His next journey was a big success for his mother. Now he has become a caring son, a responsible father, and a loving husband because Ronit got married and he is running his business successfully. Above all, he became a savior. Now he is saving the people from the clutches of drug addiction. He is helping the drug victims. Dear friends, life is very precious. We all have to become saviors and show our loves to these strugglers who are suffering from drug abuse. These drug victims need your love, support, care, and affection, not hatred. Please do not hate them because they too are suffering a lot. So they are the victims, they are not the criminals. Let's start a wave to save youngsters from drug addiction, suicidal thoughts, and delinquency because they are integral part of our society, our lives. Thank you so much to listen to this story. Please do not forget to like this and subscribe my channel because this will help you to go with the new story every week. Thank you so much.